Okay, in this inequality we can see that 2y is greater than x plus 2. So for the time being we are going to ignore this inequality symbol, and I am just going to write 2y is equals to x plus 2. So what I am going to do from now on when I am finding the values is I am going to substitute these values of x into this equation. Okay, so in the first part, when x is equals to 0, I am going to substitute this value of x right just in here, and when I solve it, 2y is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So so the first answer is 1. Now when I use it in the second, when I am substituting the value of x as 1, so 2y is equals to 1 plus 2, 2y is equals to 3, y is equals to 1.5. so I am going to put this value 1.5 right just here. Okay, so the last one is when x is equals to 2. So I am going to put when x is equals to 2, I am going to use this equation like 2y is equals to x plus 2. I am going to put 2 right just in the place of x. So 2y is equals to 2 plus 2, 2y is equals to 4, and y is equals to 2. So I have got my three values. So what I am going to do is now plot these values. The first one is at x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1, so right just here. The next one is at 1, y is 1.5, so I am going to plot this right in the middle here. And the last one is at 2, y is equals to 2. Okay, so now I have plotted my these three points. Okay, now if I see at the inequality here, you can see that there is no equal sign. So it means that I would have to draw a dotted line. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to do something like this, and I am going to extend on this side too. Okay, so my this inequality is 2y is equals to x plus 2. Okay, now I would have to consider this sign. Now when I read this inequality, I read it as 2y is greater than x plus 2. So this sign is indicating that this inequality is indicating that it is greater. So let me read it again. 2y is greater than x plus 2. So what does greater sign indicates to you? Like for example, would the upper region would be shared or the lower region would be shared? By upper I mean would the region upper from this line should be shaded, or the region from downwards from this line should be shaded. So if I apply some common sense, I can see greater indicates that the upper or the greater values of or the values that are upper should be shaded. So what I am going to do, I am going to shade this region, something like this. Okay, so let's just try another example.